Hey everyone! Today we're tearing into BMW's most controversial EV yet, the 2024 BMW i5. Is its glowing grille a masterpiece or a monstrosity? Does the M60 xDrive outrun a Tesla? And why is the interior so good? We're covering range, charging speed, launch control, and even a surprise drag race. Buckle up, this is the definitive i5 review. Chapter 1. Exterior Design. Let's start with the drama. This grille. BMW calls it the iconic glow kidney grille. It's backlit, massive, and standard on the M60 xDrive grille lights up. But look closer. The rest of the design is pure elegance. The flush door handles reduce drag, the Hofmeister kink nods to classic 5 Series sedans, and the M60's 21-inch wheels fill the arches perfectly. Oh, and that frozen deep grey paint? It's a $5,000 option, but worth it. Now the i5 Touring, cuts to wagon B-roll, isn't coming to the US, which is a shame. It's got 17.5 cubic feet of cargo space. But the sedan still packs a 17 cubic foot trunk. Rivals like the Lucid Pure RWD, sleeker but lacks BMW's road presence. Verdict: love the grille or hate it, this car commands attention. And those Matrix LED headlights? They project BMW logos on your garage wall. Because why not? Chapter 2. Interior Luxury. Step inside and the i5 feels like a $100,000 car. The BMW curved display blends a 12.3-inch gauge cluster and 14.9-inch touchscreen, both crisp and responsive. But the star. This interactive climate bar touches backlit strip. Adjust temperatures, media, or just set it to disco mode for rave vibes. The Veganza vegan leather seats are heated, cooled, and massaging, yes, even in the rear. Speaking of rear seats, passengers get their own 8K touchscreen, holds-up tablet, to control climate, Netflix, or TikTok. And check this out. A hidden compartment under the armrest opens it. Perfect for snacks or, secret stuff. Downsides? The gloss black trim is a fingerprint magnet, and the crystal shifter feels gimmicky. But compared to Tesla's minimalist interiors, this is a tech-loaded paradise. Which interior is better? BMW 5S, Tesla Model S, comment below. Chapter 3. Performance. xDrive 40 versus M60. xDrive under the hood, well, floor. The xDrive 40 has a single motor, 335 HP, 295-mile range for smooth commutes. But the M60 xDrive, twin motors, 590 HP, and BMW's first EV launch control. Let's try it. Sport mode, foot on brake, throttle pinned, go. Tires screech, car launches. 0-60 in 3.7 seconds. That's quicker than a Mustang GT. The xDrive RWD grips like glue, and the adaptive suspension floats over bumps. But the real magic. The boost paddle points to steering wheel. Pull it, and you get a 10-second power burst, perfect for overtaking. Range. BMW claims 256 miles for the M60. We drove 240 with the AC on and spirited driving. The xDrive 40? A rock-solid 280 miles. Still, the Lucid Pure RWD goes farther, 410 miles, but lacks BMW's thrills. Chapter 4. Range and Charging. Charging speed is where the i5 shines. On a 200 kilowatt DC fast charger, it goes from 10% to 80% in 30 minutes, enough for 180 miles. Plug in at home. BMW includes a level 2 charger, 9.6 kilowatt for a full charge overnight. But here's the genius. The navigation system automatically preconditions the battery when you route to a charger. No more guessing, and BMW's app shows real-time battery health. Real-world range test. We drove the M60 from LA to San Diego, 120 miles, with 20% left. Not bad, but the Tesla Model S still wins here, 375 miles. Pro tip, use Eco Pro mode for max range. Chapter 5. Drag Race and Verdict. We raced the i5 M60 against a Tesla Model S Plaid. Footage of race. The Plaid won, size, but the i5 was just 0.8 seconds behind, and it's 10K cheaper. Final verdict? The i5 isn't perfect. The grille's divisive and Tesla Lucid offer more range. But if you want a luxury EV that's fun to drive, packed with tech and turns heads, the i5 is king. Price: the xDrive 40 starts at $67,795. Our M60 tester hit $67,795. Our M60 tester hit $94K with options. India fans, it's coming soon at Rs 1.2 crore. Drop a comment. Would you buy this over a Tesla? Subscribe for our i5 touring review next week. Later.